Collagen, it's a buzzword in the skincare world, often touted as the secret to maintaining youthful, glowing skin. But how much do you really know about this mysterious protein? You've probably heard that collagen supplements and creams can help you look younger, but is there any truth to these claims? Today, we're diving deep into the science of collagen and uncovering the truth about what really works for youthful skin. Is it the magic ingredient that everyone says it is, or is it just another skincare myth? Stick around to find out, because what we reveal halfway through this video might just surprise you. Collagen is often referred to as the glue that holds our bodies together. It's the most abundant protein in our body, found in our skin, bones, tendons, and connective tissues. In fact, collagen makes up about 30% of our total protein content. But as we age, our bodies produce less and less of it. By the time we hit our 30s, collagen production starts to slow down, leading to visible signs of aging like wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint discomfort. This is where collagen supplements and creams come into play. But the big question is, do they actually work? 1. What's collagen, and why does it matter for skin? Collagen is the protein responsible for giving our skin structure and elasticity. It's what makes our skin firm and smooth. When collagen levels are high, our skin is youthful and plump. But as we age, the collagen fibers in our skin become less dense, and the ones that remain break down, leading to wrinkles and sagging. This breakdown is also accelerated by sun exposure, smoking, and a poor diet. To combat this natural decline, many people turn to collagen supplements, believing that they can restore youthful skin. But how effective are these products really? 2. Collagen supplements. Do they actually work? Collagen supplements have exploded in popularity, with everything from collagen powders to drinks flooding the market. The idea behind collagen supplementation is simple. If we supplement the collagen our bodies lose, we can help rebuild and rejuvenate our skin. But does it work? Recent studies suggest that collagen peptides, the specific form of collagen used in supplements, can improve skin elasticity, hydration, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. One study found that participants who took collagen peptides daily for about 12 weeks saw a significant improvement in skin elasticity and hydration. This happens because collagen peptides are broken down into smaller chains of amino acids, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream and help stimulate collagen production in the skin. However, while there is some evidence to support the use of collagen supplements for skin health, it's important to note that not all studies agree. Some experts argue that the body may not absorb collagen directly in the way we hope, and instead, the amino acids from collagen peptides are used where the body needs them most, which may not necessarily be the skin. 3. The role of collagen in skin aging. Collagen isn't just important for maintaining youthful skin, it's also crucial for overall skin health. As collagen production slows down with age, the skin becomes more prone to damage from external factors like UV rays, pollution, and free radicals. This can lead to accelerated aging and an increase in fine lines and wrinkles. But collagen's role in skin aging doesn't stop there. When collagen levels decrease, the skin becomes thinner, less resilient, and more prone to dryness. This is why people often turn to collagen-infused skincare products in hopes of reversing these signs of aging. 4. Topical collagen. Does it really penetrate the skin? One of the most common claims in the skincare industry is that applying collagen topically can help increase the skin's collagen levels. However, the truth is, collagen molecules are too large to be absorbed directly through the skin. While some products may temporarily plump the skin or provide hydration, they don't actually rebuild the collagen that's lost over time. That said, topical collagen products can still play a role in your skincare routine by keeping the skin moisturized and helping with the appearance of fine lines. They can provide a protective barrier on the skin's surface, but they aren't a miracle solution for aging skin. The real impact of collagen on skin comes from stimulating your body to produce more of it from the inside. 5. The best foods to boost collagen production naturally. If you want to naturally support collagen production, it's essential to incorporate certain foods into your diet. While collagen supplements are an option, the foods you eat can also play a vital role in supporting your body's collagen production. Vitamin C is a crucial nutrient for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body can't effectively produce collagen. Foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and leafy greens, can help support collagen production. Bone broth is another excellent source of collagen, as it contains collagen extracted from animal bones and connective tissues. Consuming bone broth regularly can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to produce more collagen. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, tomatoes, and dark chocolate help protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful molecules that can accelerate the breakdown of collagen in the skin. Copper-rich foods such as nuts, seeds, and shellfish are also essential for collagen production. Copper plays a vital role in the formation of collagen and elastin fibers, which are crucial for skin elasticity. Sticks. Exercise and collagen production. Exercise is another natural way to boost collagen production. Physical activity increases blood flow, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin, promoting healthy collagen production. Weight-bearing exercises such as resistance training may also stimulate the production of collagen in your muscles and skin. But here's the twist. While collagen supplements and creams are a part of the solution, there's a lesser-known factor that could be the real key to youthful skin. Are you ready to hear what it is? Keep watching to find out. 7. The hidden factor for skin health. Sleep. You might be surprised to hear that sleep plays a crucial role in collagen production. While we're sleeping, our bodies enter repair mode. This is when collagen production peaks, especially during deep sleep. Sleep deprivation accelerates the breakdown of collagen, leading to dull, tired skin. So getting enough quality sleep is just as important as eating the right foods or using skincare products. If you're not getting enough rest, your skin won't have the time it needs to repair and regenerate. Make sure to prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support collagen production and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. So what's the truth about collagen? While supplements and topical treatments can certainly help, real magic happens when you combine collagen-boosting foods, exercise, sleep, and a healthy lifestyle. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried collagen supplements or collagen-infused skincare products? What's worked for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more health and beauty tips.